Today I'm going to replace a washer pump on a 2009 Jeep Patriot. It's a short video, it's easy. There's the pump down there. It's pushed down into the tank. This is what the new pump looks like. And there's a screen that comes with it that fits over the suction. Okay, and to get the pump off, you just reach down and you're going to kind of grab it like this and twist it, and it'll pop up. So it's down in there. I'll show you. Twist it. And it'll pop up. And there's the old screen, and might have some trouble with the plug, and to get the plug off you just get a small screwdriver. Let's see if I can do this. Wherever my freaking screwdriver went. Anyhow. Oh wait, no, it's not in my pocket. Oh, here it is. Okay. So there's a little hole in here underneath this tab, and you just push in like that. You'll find the little notch in there, and the plug will come right off. Okay. And you've got these connections on here, and I would not pull on them to pull it off. You know, it's kind of how they look, right? But take a screwdriver and just kind of pry them off of there and gently pull at the same time and twist. You know, just try to get it started with the screwdriver. And, you know, same thing on this side. Trying to get it started and then twist it a little bit. Which this one's a little bit of a pain in the neck, but it's been on there for a while. You don't want to break these elbows, because then you're going to be going to the auto parts store and buying another one. So, and this is what the old one looks like. There's the suction and the screen. There's the little hole down there it goes into. And it's just the opposite, you know. I put the new screen on, and put my hoses back on. Right. Yeah. Push it back down in there. And these elbows will rotate, you know. And you just use some force and get it pushed into there, and it'll pop in, and then just put your plug on, and you're good to go. That's the best I could do. I'm not Steven Spielberg.